Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Got a little shine on my head for this sunroof. Got my little grandbabies here with me. We got Makai and Malik. There we go. And it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers. Let's just get right into it. So listen, the stock market is top heavy. We know that. There's money to be made. We still make money, right? And we make money whether the market is going up, whether the market is going down, especially for those of you that have taken the class in the Patreon, or you just a good trader. You know how to make money. The stock's going up and going down, right? Now, there are some stocks that are ridiculously expensive, but they're still a buy short term, right? And so, you know, it gets really risky, like Nvidia, for instance. I'm still buying Nvidia daily. As you guys know, that's been following, we've been buying it for years now, a couple of years now. So I think my first purchase was like in high threes to $400, right? And then we went in heavy when it tanked, and it's doing really well. Especially for those of you that have bought it this year, you know, over the last 6 months, you should be doing really well with Nvidia if you bought it this year, period, right? But there is a word of caution that I want to give you guys that, you know, I'm just feeling that we still can invest long-term, dollar cost average, because I still believe that this year will end up positive. But I do believe that we need to be cashing up also, right? I know you've heard Josh and myself expecting about a 10% drawdown, but then the year ending up, and that's still on the table. We do know that the Fed now is, you know, every time a data point comes out, he's more likely, he's less likely. He's more likely, he's less likely. Inflation is still high, but it's cooling off. And the truth be told, the job market is still too strong for the Fed to start reducing interest rates, right? So now we're talking about maybe one. And you have a lot of the Fed members that are disagreeing with each other. I mean, the spread is wide. And so I stick to what I've been saying and what I'm doing at this point. And that is, for every dollar I used to DCA, dollar cost average, I'm simply investing 25%, right? So for every dollar, I'm only investing 25 cents, and I'm holding the other 75 cents. Now, this is not get like me. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But this market is top heavy. You guys will be laughing if you saw, I got this thing is, let me see if I can show you guys this. Look at this. It's pink, y'all. It's pink with a pink powder puff thing. My granddaughter gave me this stick, this selfie stick to do my video, and I feel like an idiot with this poofy powder stuff on it. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's talk about crypto for a minute. I did a lot of buying, and which I did some more buying. I'm looking right now as I'm talking. I got an Ando, just bought just now. And I know that there are levels that you could just set buy orders, which I do have levels. I have buy orders at levels, okay? And but I'm still dollar cost averaging, and I increase the amount when crypto went down on yesterday. And I'm doing exactly what I said I was going to do. I'm going to buy some more even today. It's buying now, but I'm going to look at it late tonight and may do some more buying. And I'm good with my decision, regardless if it goes down on Monday or Wednesday of this week, regardless of if it goes down. I'm still good with that decision, buying in this price range. I still see Bitcoin getting to above 80. I do. And like I said, this is me. I will be taking some profits when Bitcoin hits 76. You know, I can tell you, I think that when Bitcoin hits above 74 and holds for a couple of days, it's going to quickly go to 76 and then 80. And then if it really hits 80 with enough momentum, I can clearly see 120K this cycle. I know a lot of people have a lot of extremely bullish price targets. I say 120 by the end of next summer tops. But if it goes higher than that, Bitcoin, you know, it's going to bring everything else with it. I'm just being more realistic, and I will take profits sooner than later. I'm not going to try to time the top. That's impossible. We're just going to monitor this day by day. But so far, nothing has changed for me. Let me know what you think about that. And in closing, you guys know that it is Sunday and I do an inspiration. But before I do my inspiration, this one right here, he said, Papa, we gonna get together on Father's Day? I'm like, yeah, we'll get together. Let's hang out. I'm like, okay, let's hang out, right? And then I said, then he says, I got you something for Father's Day. I said, fine, that's cool. And then he said, well, you need to buy me something for Father's Day. And he told my wife, you need to buy me a car for Father's Day, because I'm a father too. Didn't you say you a father too? Tell him who you the father of.
I'm the father of my dog.
Say it out loud.
I'm the father of my dogs.
So he's got some dogs, good people. So he said, I'm a father too. I got some dogs. So now he wants a gift card and a car. Do you agree with that, man?
No. Yes.
What do you agree with that?
No.
He's a father. Come on. All right, let's switch. Let me tell you something. To all the women out there, you're not a father. You can't be a father. It's impossible. Quit saying it. Quit saying I'm a mother and a father. It's impossible. That's like a horse saying I'm a giraffe and a giraffe saying I'm a horse. Okay. It's impossible, good people. Don't let society get you twisted. It's impossible for you to be a father. Only a father can be a father. That's it. That's the way God created it. Now, I'm telling you that a father can't be a mother. Only a mother can be a mother. And we just need to stop changing all of this stuff up and just be straight with it. All right. So I saw a young man today, yesterday, and the other day. And when I see young men with their sons, I grabbed a bill. And I'm challenging every older male. When you see a young man, like 20, 19, 20 with the children, I'm charging you, man. Encourage them. If you don't have enough money to pay for the bill, just encourage them to be with their kids regardless. Like, kids need their fathers like air, like water. And this is what society has demasculated everything, all right? We're not talking against nothing and nobody. I'm pro-father and I'm pro-male. And we have to pour into this generation, and we have to save the next generation. So, in closing, give me 1 minute. I know he's antsy because they're playing ball outside. All right, just give me 1 minute and you can go play ball. Listen, even this time, for those of you young men out there, and we're going to talk about this at length, even just time, if you don't know what to do, just time is what they need first, right? They need first time, right? And the time put in, even when they're like that and they see that their friends are outside playing ball and they want to go play, time put in is time that will be reciprocated when they get older. My daughters, I put the time in, and I'm just encouraging, especially you younger fathers, like, put the time in. They need it, okay? You know what? I got something else I want to talk about. I'm sorry to switch, but I got something else I want to talk about, but we're going to deal with this father thing, and it's not just going to be on Father's Day. And I got some ideas of some things that I want to do with young men and their children. It doesn't care what color you are. It doesn't care what age you are, but especially young men with young kids. We need to put something together where we can come together and talk about building wealth and about manhood. That's one of the things we need to do. But let me wrap it up by saying this. I want to talk about I am. I am. And if you at the end of this final 2 minutes, I want you to type in the comments, I am. You are, and I keep putting a pin and sticking this. You are what you say you are. The power of I am. If you keep saying I am broke, I am less than, I am this, I am that, that's what you're going to be. But the flip side of that is I am. The great I am, Jesus Christ. He said, I am that I am. And when you speak something, it reverberates throughout the universe for eternity. So when you say I am, never say I'm stupid, I'm less than, I'm not smart enough. Say I am. Speak those things as though they were or as though they are. So you say I am a conqueror. You say I am a millionaire. I don't care if you're a thousandaire. I don't care if you're a hundredaire and you only have $100 between me, you, and the doorpost in your bank account. You say, I am a millionaire. You put that out there. As crazy as it may sound, you say, I am. I am beautiful. I am successful. You know, if you're struggling in school, I am a high school graduate. I am a college graduate. You start speaking those things and then move in that direction with your studies. Ask for help. But those of you that are in business and you're struggling, you say, I am a successful business owner. And then I want you to get out of your comfort zone. And I want you to get on planes, trains, and automobiles and go and be in the room with the right people that could help you. Who are they? They are the people that are already successful in the area you want to be. One of the problems is we are bound. We are just bound by what we see and we don't break out. And I also want to tell you this. Sometimes the person that could truly help you don't look nothing like you. Okay? And you got to get out of your comfort zone when you're in your 12th hour. Okay? And you're about to throw your hands up. I'm telling you that you're going to give up in the 12th hour and that's when your breakthrough comes through. So you say, I am successful. I am a millionaire. I am a billionaire. All right. That's what you say, because remember what the great I am says. I am that I am. Okay. I want you guys to study that a little deeper and we'll go from there. All right. You let this boy out. Look at this. Y'all remember that? Look at that. He just like, man, my friends out there playing ball and Papa out here running his mouth. But you smiling at now. Spend some time with these kids, y'all. I love you guys. This is a little different as I got this powder puff selfie stick. Love you guys. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And lastly, check out the links below. He said, check out the links below because there's some things that will help you. Do you guys know how I sign off? I always say, live, love, laugh, and learn. Live, love, laugh, and learn. We're going to say it together, okay? Live, love, laugh, and learn. All right. See ya. Peace.